Good day, kids! Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So para sa araw na to, ang pag-aaralan natin ay multiplication of decimals. Here are the steps in multiplying decimals. Multiply the numbers in the same way whole numbers are multiplied. Regroup if necessary. Count the number of decimal places in the decimal number factor. The product must contain the same number of decimal places as the decimal number factor. Okay, para maintindihan natin lalo, meron ako ditong halimbawa. 7 and 3/10 times 4. Okay, sabi nga dun sa step natin, we will just multiply them na parang whole number. So, let's multiply. 4 times 3 is equal to 12, so 2 carry 1. 4 times 7 is equal to 28 plus 1, 29. Ngayon, bibilangin natin kung ilan yung decimal places. So, sa taas, meron tayong isa. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa ating product. Bibilang lang tayo ng isang decimal place, then tuldok. So, isa, tuldok. So, our product is 29 and 2/10. Okay, another example. We have 83 and 41/100 times 5. So, let's multiply 83 and 41/100 times 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20, so 0 carry 2. 5 times 3 is equal to 15, plus 2, 17, so 7 carry 1. 5 times 8 is equal to 40 plus 1. So, we have 41. So, ngayon, ilan nga ba yung decimal places natin? So, ito lang yung may decimal. Let's count. So, 1, 2. So, sa product natin, we will count 2 ulit. 1, 2, decimal point. So, our product is 417 and 500. So, isa pang halimbawa. We have 81 and 2/10 times 12. So, let us multiply 81 and 2/10 times 12. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. Then, add the partial product. Bring down 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So, ilan nga ba yung decimal places natin? So, merong isa. So, 1, then decimal point. So, our answer is 974 and 4/10. Okay, another example. We have 1 and 35/100 times 15. So, 1 and 35/100 times 15. So, 5 muna yung multiply natin sa kanila. 5 times 5 is equal to 25, so 5 carry 2. 5 times 3 is equal to 15, plus 2, 17, so 7 carry 1. 5 times 1 is equal to 5, plus 1, 6. Next, si 1 naman, 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then, add the partial products. Bring down 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, so 2 carry 1. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. So, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, ilan yung decimal places natin? So, we have 1, 2. So, sa baba din, 1, 2, then decimal point. So, our product is 20 and 25/100. Paano naman kung ang pares na factors ay merong decimal places? Halimbawa, 1 and 2/10 times 3/10. So, multiply lang natin siya ng parang normal na multiplication. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 0 times 2 is equal to 0. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. Then, add the partial products. Bring down 6. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Bring down 0. So, ilan ang decimal places natin? 1, 2. So, 1, 2, then decimal point. So, our product is 36/100. Okay, another example. we have 11 hundredths times 3 and 6 tenths. Okay, multiply lang natin. So, let's multiply. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 0 is equal to 0. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 0 is equal to 0. Then, let's add the partial products. Bring down 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Bring down 0. So, ilan ang decimal places natin? 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, then decimal point. So, our product is 396,000. Okay, sa panghalimbawa, we have 45 and 1/10 times 25 hundredths. So, isulat muna natin siya. 45 and 1/10 times 0 and 25 hundredths. Let us multiply. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25, so 5 carry 2. 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 2, so 22. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, so 0 carry 1. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 1, 9. Then 0. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. 0 times 5 is equal to 0. 0 times 4 is equal to 0. Then let's add the partial products. Bring down 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 11. So, 1 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So, ilan ang decimal places natin? We have 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, then decimal point. So, our product is 11 and 275 thousandths. Okay, isa pang halimbawa. 25 and 1/10 times 300. So, 25 and 1/10 times 300. Let us multiply. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So, 5 carry 1. 3 times 2 is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. 0 times 5 is equal to 0. 0 times 2 is equal to 0. 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 2 is equal to 0. Then add the partial products. Bring down 3. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0. Then next, ilan ang decimal places? We have 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3 decimal points. So, our product is 753,000. So, thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am your virtual teacher. Goodbye!